Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Dave. Dave is a mobile banking and financial services app that offers cash advance without interest. If you don't have a Dave account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $15 welcome gift. Once you've downloaded the app, tap on Get Started. First, enter the email address and password you wish to use. Then tap on Next. After that, enter your first name and last name. Then tap on Next. Now, enter your mobile phone number. To verify, a 6-digit code will be sent to the phone number you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then tap on Next. Lastly, you need to verify your email address. To proceed, tap on Continue. The email you're going to receive looks like this. On the email, you will see a button that says Verify your email. Tap on Verify your email. Once your email has been verified, you can now open the app and get started. That's how you sign up for Dave. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.